Alright, stop everything. Have you heard the news that's sending shockwaves through the crypto world? WisdomTree just filed for an XRP ETF, and this could change the game forever, not just for XRP holders but for the entire crypto market. Could this finally be the bridge between crypto and mainstream finance? Let's break it all down together because this story is way bigger than you think. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Crypto World, the one-stop shop for all things crypto, the good, the bad, and the downright confusing. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because this is where we keep you ahead of the game with deep dives into the most important developments in crypto. Today, we're tackling a massive story. WisdomTree has officially submitted its application to the SEC for an XRP ETF. Now, I know what you're thinking, another ETF application? But trust me, this one's different. We'll talk about how this could change XRP's future, the legal drama surrounding Ripple and the SEC, and why XRP's price is exploding. Plus, I've got some juicy opinions on what this all means for us regular investors. Stick around, because this is one video you do not want to miss. Coming up, the details of WisdomTree's XRP ETF application, how it stacks up against other asset managers like Grayscale and Bitwise, and the role Ripple's SEC battle plays in all this. Plus, we'll talk about why XRP's price has skyrocketed over 300% and what this means for your portfolio. And, of course, I'll be sprinkling in some personal takes because, let's be honest, that's why you're here. Ready? Let's dive in. Before we dive deeper, smash that like button and subscribe to Crypto World. Your support helps us bring you the most relevant and up-to-date crypto content. Also, hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when news like this drops. Let's start with the facts. WisdomTree, one of the big players in asset management, has officially filed an S-1 application with the SEC to launch an XRP ETF. If approved, this fund, called the WisdomTree XRP Fund, would allow investors to gain exposure to XRP without directly holding the cryptocurrency. Now, if you're not familiar with ETFs, here's a quick rundown. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are investment products traded on stock exchanges, much like regular stocks. They allow investors to buy shares that represent a basket of assets, like stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. In this case, WisdomTree's ETF will be solely tied to XRP. So, what does the filing say? The ETF will be listed on the Cboe BZX exchange, though the ticker name hasn't been disclosed yet. The value of the shares will be calculated daily using XRP's spot prices from major trading platforms. New York's oldest bank, BNY Mellon, will act as the fund's administrator, while WisdomTree Digital Commodity Service will sponsor the trust. Here's where it gets even more interesting. WisdomTree plans to create and redeem ETF shares in blocks of 5,000, and it'll do this in exchange for cash. However, key details like the share price and reference rate are still under wraps. Now, WisdomTree isn't alone in this race. It's actually the fourth major player to submit an XRP ETF application to the SEC. Bitwise, 21 shares, and Canary Capital have also thrown their hats in the ring. But what makes this so fascinating is the timing. Think about it, XRP has been under fire from the SEC for years. Yet, despite the legal uncertainties, these asset managers are doubling down on XRP. Why? Because they see something the rest of the market might be missing: potential. Even Grayscale, a giant in the crypto investment space, is looking to convert its multi-crypto funds into spot exchange-traded products that include XRP. This shows that institutional investors are warming up to XRP, and that's a big deal. Here's my take: this wave of XRP ETF applications isn't just about capitalizing on a popular cryptocurrency. It's about signaling to the market that XRP is here to stay. These asset managers wouldn't risk their reputations on something they thought might crumble under regulatory pressure. Of course, we can't talk about XRP without mentioning the ongoing legal drama between Ripple and the SEC. If you're new to this story, here's the TL::DR. The SEC sued Ripple Labs in 2020, claiming that XRP is a security and that Ripple's sale of XRP violated securities laws. Fast forward to today, and the case is still unresolved. The latest twist? The appeal is set to kick off in January 2025. Here's what's at stake. The SEC wants to overturn a federal court ruling that said Ripple's programmatic XRP sales were not securities. Ripple, on the other hand, is challenging the ruling that institutional sales were investment contracts. This case is massive because it could set a precedent for how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the United States. And here's where things get spicy, with Gary Gensler stepping down as SEC chair in early 2025 and a new administration coming in. There's speculation that we could see more crypto-friendly regulations. Some analysts even predict that the Ripple SEC case could settle sooner than expected. My opinion? If Ripple wins this appeal or reaches a favorable settlement, it's game over for the SEC's anti-crypto agenda. This would be a huge win not just for XRP but for the entire crypto industry. Let's talk numbers because this is where things get wild. XRP's price has surged over 300% in the past month, hitting a 6-year high of $2.49. It even reclaimed its spot as the third largest cryptocurrency, overtaking Solana and Tether. Why the sudden spike? A lot of it comes down to optimism. The market is buzzing with rumors that the Ripple SEC case could settle soon. And when you add the growing interest in XRP ETFs to the mix, it's no surprise that investors are piling in. But here's the thing, while this rally is exciting, it's also a bit speculative. Yes, XRP has massive potential, but let's not forget that the regulatory landscape is still uncertain. If you're thinking about investing, make sure you're doing your homework. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto World. We're building a community of informed crypto investors, and your support makes all the difference. Plus, it ensures you never miss out on critical updates like this one. So, what does all of this mean for you as an investor? If WisdomTree's XRP ETF gets approved, it could open the floodgates for institutional money to flow into XRP. Think pension funds, hedge funds, and retail investors, all gaining easy access to XRP through a regulated investment product. This could drive up liquidity and push XRP's price even higher. Cement XRP's position as a top cryptocurrency. Set a precedent for other crypto ETFs, paving the way for broader adoption. But this is a big but, there are risks. The SEC hasn't approved a single spot crypto ETF yet, and they're notoriously slow when it comes to regulatory decisions. Let's zoom out for a second. The growing interest in XRP ETFs is part of a larger trend. The crypto market is maturing. Institutional players are no longer sitting on the sidelines, they're getting involved. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or now XRP, the lines between traditional finance and crypto are starting to blur. And that's a good thing. It means more legitimacy, more adoption, and, ultimately, more opportunities for all of us. And that's it for today's video. The crypto world is evolving fast, and XRP is right at the center of it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Crypto World. Your support helps us bring you the latest and most impactful crypto news. What do you think about WisdomTree's XRP ETF filing? Do you think this is the breakthrough XRP needs, or is it just another hype cycle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear what you have to say. And don't stop here. Check out our other videos for more deep dives into the biggest stories in crypto. Until next time, stay informed, keep holding, and I'll see you in the next video.